I've been tracking this black jaguar for 3 hours, and she hasn't moved a muscle. Jaguars can wait up to 12 hours in one position, watching their prey. Their black coat isn't solid. It's covered in ghost spots that break up their outline in the shadows. She's locked onto a capybara 50 feet below, completely unaware. Watch her shoulders, they're starting to shift. In one explosive second, she drops 20 feet straight down. The silent black jaguar glides through the shadowy jungle, its eyes glowing like embers in the mist. At the river's edge, it pauses, watching, waiting, until the forest itself seems to breathe with it.